Hey guys, today I am preparing pizza dosa. Let's see what I am doing. I have put the batter in the tawa and spread it properly. Then I am going to add the pasta in pizza sauce and spread properly all over the dosa. Then I am gonna put the vegetables which I have fried it properly. You can see the full video after the preparation of dosa I have put it. Now I am putting some grated Then I am putting some grated beetroot. Now I am putting the mozzarella cheese all over the pizza dosa. Now I am putting the pizza oregano and it's done. It looks yum. Do try it the recipe, guys. Now you can see how I have prepared the vegetable for this dosa. I have taken 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. I am putting some garlic. Now stir fry for 2-3 minutes. Then I am gonna add onion in it and then stir fry it until it becomes golden brown. It's not that you have to continuously mix it properly. You can leave it like that only. Just stir it in between. And if it becomes golden brown, just put the carrot in it. I have chopped the carrot slices and just stir it for properly for 2-3 minutes and then add the capsicum in it. And just stir fry it until the vegetables become soft. Now I'm putting the masala. I'm putting some black salt and it's done. You can see it looks yum. Do try the recipe and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.